As the youth unemployment crisis in Scotland continues on, we speak to various people, from students to a politician and a careers advisor, to see their views on the growing situation.
I think it's difficult for young people to get employed because everyone's going for exactly the same jobs. Especially if you're a student, it's difficult because you need a part-time job to fund things that you need, like stationery and books, and even for your nights out you need money. I think it's also difficult because statistically 8 or 10 people are going for exactly the same jobs at the same time, so it makes it difficult for employers to pick out who they think is the best person for the job.
I've only ever worked in retail, and I worked in Next. It was really hard, like, there was no support from the management team at all. So I had to leave there because it was just too much hard work to do everything on my own. And then I went to Asda to work there over Christmas, and I really enjoyed it. Like, everyone was really nice and stuff, but now I'm out of employment because it was only a Christmas job.
I have been on Job Seekers. I was only on it for a week and I got about 50 quid. I didn't enjoy being on Job Seekers. I just felt like I didn't belong because I thought it was morally wrong to be there because I'm young and I want to work for my money. I don't want the government to give me money. Going
down to sign on and stuff, it's all kind of rushed. They don't give you any extra help or support. You're just told to go and apply for jobs, and then you'll sign your wee form and that's it, and you're there for a couple of minutes. It's not any kind of decent conversation or help that they give you.
One of the things employers do look for is the qualifications that you've got. I think that probably helps you to get the job, but really experience is about what's getting the job done. And I think more nowadays companies are looking for experience as well. I know in Renfrewshire that we've been trying to do a lot of work to give young people the opportunity to have work experience, either through placements or through volunteering. In Scotland there has been cross-party support to tackle youth unemployment. I know all the parties supported the initiative to bring in a minister for youth unemployment, and also obviously supported the budget for that.
People assume that you're from a bad background and that you're being lazy, but really it's a lot harder to find a job now than what it was before.
The SNP government are proposing, in my opinion, quite savage cuts in the college funding, £70 million over the next 2 years. It seems quite ironic that the SNP government have announced a minister for youth unemployment to tackle that in a budget, but at the same time looking to reduce funding for colleges, which really is the area that young people can go to learn vocational skills, but also looking to upskill people that are already in the workplace. So there is a real concern that it will have a detrimental effect.